Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have the new iPhone 16 Pro. Lucky me, look at that. And I got myself a case for it, so let's see how this case looks. If I can get it out of the box. Okay, there we go. So it should be like a fancier case than some of these other ones. It's like a leatherish kind of one. So let's see what we got here. So we have some thank you for your purchase. We have something that I cannot read. I guess it's a bookmark. We have some stickers. Look at this. So we have a sticker of a cat, a pumpkin, happy Halloween, a pirate pumpkin, and a little rabbit. We have installation auxiliary tools. I'm going to guess these are going to be for the screen protector that comes with. And then here is the screen protector, and it looks like it is going to be a tempered glass screen protector, which is nice that it comes with that. And then here is the case. So it's a leather case, and it's got the Magsafe apparatus in there. It looks like it's got the buttons for the hole for the camera and all these other buttons. So let's see how it lines up. I have a little, I have a screen protector on here right now, and I have a screen protector on there too. So let's see how it fits with all that stuff. It is a fairly tight fit, which is good. That's good. It's got a little lip on it, so that's nice. It really feels good. It's got that leather feel to it, so it feels high end for sure. And the button, works. It turns itself on and off. There's my kids. And then I've got the volume buttons. Click good. That clicks good. And the camera button, when I click that, well, there we go. Camera opens. So we are good. So nice. Nice looking case. It really looks good. It looks way better and way fancier than just the regular, clear case or black phone. So I'm going to say it's awesome. Thumbs up for sure. And this is it here. It's by Aoyushan. So, cool. Thumbs up.